So remember these things, you guys, as you go out into the world as a couple, that your love will have seasons, that your relationship is a progression, and that love will always prevail. Remembering each other, holding each other in your hearts and in your minds will give you a marriage filled with joy for the rest of your lives. Kevin and Deanna, you have declared your intention today to make this venture of faith and love, realizing that from this time forward, your destinies will be woven of one design, and your challenges and your joys will be shared together. Today, you're making public before family and friends that the words "I love you" are a full commitment of yourselves, one to the other. Understanding that marriage is the convergence of your individual and joint destinies, as well as the greatest support for them. Kevin, do you choose to marry Deanna and have her as your wife?
Of course! Yes!
Like to hear it. Deanna, do you choose to marry Kevin and have him as your husband? Kevin and Deanna have both prepared their own vows. Deanna, I have yours. You'll begin first.
Kevin, you chased me for 3 years before I gave you a chance and we started dating. I chased you for 7 before you finally popped the question. I think we are beyond even, or you can say I have more patience than him. I vowed to try to keep my friends to a low. I'll try. I promise to be the best mother to your 4, or even if we're lucky, 2-legged children. I promise to be the best wife you could ever ask for. I pledge to honor you, to love you, and cherish you as my husband today and every day. I love you very much, Kevin Alexander Castaneda, always and forever, to the moon and back.
I, Kevin Castaneda, take you, Deanna Cardenas, well now, about to be Castaneda, to be my lifelong best friend, my one and only sexy lover, the official mother of our 3 awesome 4-legged children, Shaggy, Ponzi, and Norman, and best of all, to be mine for eternity. I will always vow to keep you safe, be there for you in times of need, or simply if you just want to have a dope, chill time. I vow to treat you with respect and to always appreciate the beautiful woman that you are. And no doubt, I'll always make sure you're never deficient in vitamin D. I'll absolutely vow to make sure you are never hangry as much as I can. Together we will support each other and become our very best versions of ourselves and a happily married couple. I love you, man.
Because of the pledge you both have made today before these witnesses, I now declare you husband and wife. You may now kiss to seal this union.